Hi, this is Mark with PanurgyOEM. Today, I want to give you an inside look at one portion of our facility. This is where we handle depot repair for a large printer manufacturer. These products are active in the field at multiple locations. When they come back to us, it is crucial that we repair them efficiently and in a timely manner to get them back in service. For this project, we dedicate about 40,000 square feet, including flex and warehouse space. PanurgyOEM has been helping electronics manufacturers and adding value with our operational expertise for over 30 years. Why partner with PanurgyOEM? We can help eliminate fixed costs. We can provide additional capacity and expertise. We are conveniently located in northern New Jersey, directly 30 miles west of Manhattan, right along Interstate Route 80. Thanks for joining me on a tour of our facility. Give us a call today.